Hi, Dr. Purcell here again, and you are watching Straight from the Doctor's Desk with me, where we talk about all things related to women's health and hormones, and I'm sharing a delicious and healthy recipe with you today. It's chicken sausage and peppers. I recently had a mom of one of my patients ask me about recipes. She's cooking for her family, and she's trying to find recipes that everyone in the family can enjoy. And definitely, this is one of our weekly go-to recipes that everyone in this house absolutely loves. So I'm going to share it with you because we all get into cooking ruts. And I don't want you to lose your focus and just turn to convenience foods because food is the medicine in natural medicine. So you, my dear, have the power to influence your own health every single day through the choices that you make. So on those weeks when I'm feeling a negative vibe about cooking, I always want to search for a new recipe that can inspire me and get me out of my cooking rut. So let's breathe some inspiration into your recipe box. This chicken sausage and peppers dish is one of those comforting, flavor-packed meals that also happens to be incredibly nourishing because you're getting lean, satisfying protein from the chicken sausage, plus all the antioxidant-rich benefits of peppers, onions, and garlic. So bell peppers bring loads of vitamin C and beta-carotene to your plate. Onions and garlic offer immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory compounds that help your body thrive. It is naturally gluten, egg, and dairy-free, which makes it an easy, allergy-friendly win of a recipe. And even better, it's perfect for batch cooking. You can serve it over rice. You can toss it with some gluten-free pasta. You can wrap it in a grain-free tortilla or eat it just straight out of the pan paired with some other wonderful steamed vegetable sides. So one cooking session here gives you several delicious meals for the week. I hope you enjoy it. Ciao for now.